Grace, why do you like doing theatre?
There's so many ways you can get involved. You can get involved in acting, directing, writing.
I love writing shows. I think it's just beautiful. I love all the people in my theatre. We're like a big family.
What's the best thing about doing theatre?
When you get into character, it's honestly one of the best feelings ever.
Just being able to channel and, go for it when it comes to unleashing, just entering your creative side.
Anything you're feeling, any emotion ever can be expressed through some kind of form of art.
Being creative is the only time that you can do anything. No restrictions, no limitations, and just have your imaginations and just your mind run wild overall.
What would you tell someone who's nervous to join theatre?
You'll make lifelong friends.
And it will help you in so many places that you don't even think about in your life.
It's just worth it to try it out at least once, and if you don't like it, then that's okay, but don't miss your chance.